Alright, Brady. Tell the camera right now to whoever's just listening. I don't know what audience we have. What did you do today?
I lost our...
No, start from the beginning.
Okay, I'll start from the beginning.
We started off day 2 with checking out of the Alantara in Sanur. It treated us very nicely, albeit only for a night. Then we headed off to Kuta for a few days. And, I didn't record the place we were staying at because it was a bit dust. But it was cheap, so kudos to them. But we do most of our stuff on booking.com.
Yo.
What's up? What's up, YouTube?
Just a disclaimer that these videos are mainly for memory's sake, so if you don't find them entertaining, I'm sorry. But yeah, this one's got a lot of voiceovers just because I was quite busy traveling and didn't have time to film myself. Anyways, a lot of people online say that Kuta kind of sucks as a place, but we didn't really find that was the case. For our first time in Bali, it treated us right, and we stumbled across this beautiful sunset, walked the stretch of the beach and strolled through these stalls, and then parked up with a couple of beers to enjoy the sunset.
First beer on the beach. Cheers, boys. Oh, it's actually a gorgeous sunset, though. It's a shame we're not Australian. Well, all the tourists here. We'll be Australian for the trip.
Yeah.
Yo, Brenny's about to get a temp tattoo to prank his parents, and you're gonna get the Mickey Mouse one, right?
How much is this one?
No, I'll show you.
150? How big?
This is big.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
This size.
Where do you put?
That's basically the skin for Brenny. That's the size.
Yeah.
You do face as well?
Mike Tyson, bro. Yo, is it sore?
So painful, bro. Tattoo's legit. Okay.
Wash hotel.
It's legit.
Yo, what the heck, bro? That's permanent.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
That's good. Why don't you try to wash it off? It's not coming off! This is a real tattoo!
ain't no way.
Dust, bro.
Alright, pose for the cam. Bang. What does it mean?
Word.
Penis.
After Brenny's new ink, we got some pork satay, and this place just absolutely slapped. It was charred, tasty, juicy, fatty, whatever spicy. Oh, speaking of spice, that eggplant dish, whew, that packed a punch. But seriously, the local Indonesian food on that first night was probably one of the best. In the morning, we got a light breakfast, and then Brennan and I got a massage.
Just got a massage.
That was so damn good.
Dude, I'm oiled up like a baby's bottom at the moment.
Yeah, we're shiny as fuck.
Wait. I need to ask you.
Go on.
Did she ask you anything?
No. Did she ask you for something?
Bro, she whispered in my ear at the beginning,
Yeah.
"You want sexy massage?"
Actually.
And I was like, what the heck?
No.
And I thought, like, if anything, I thought they would ask that at the end.
Yeah,
You know.
same.
But when she asked that, I felt uncomfortable for like maybe like
the rest of it?
for like 10, 20 minutes. I was like, what the heck? Like,
I was immersed in the experience. I didn't even know.
yeah. Well, but lucky for you, I felt uncomfortable for the first 10 to 15 minutes.
No.
But after that, it felt good. The facial was mean as well.
Yo, the facial.
Fuck.
That was just something different.
That facial, yeah, it was worth it, eh?
Yo, no doubt about it.
And to be honest, it was like what, $8 the whole thing
Yo,
for the facial.
the facial.
How good? You can get a
We'll
60
definitely
time
do it.
and a happy ending in Bali if you really want it. But
Worth.
we're committed men. That massage, well, that like a baby's bottom.
Word up, shiny baby.
Let's just say she asked me if I gym. She asked you, bro?
Nah, bro. Get it, man. You gym. Just swallow. Let's go across the bed.
We then checked out some local stores and realized that Balinese souvenirs are obsessed with phallic cakes. That night we got some Mexican food for dinner. Got a mango frozen margarita and a pina colada. Both were mid, to be honest. The food wasn't though, that was pretty yum.
No, just the two major things. What did you do with your moped, and what did you do at dinner?
Okay, well, there's two things with the moped. The first thing, we went to get our mopeds at the start of the day. We got them, and off the lot, I almost crashed into a tourist by going onto the other side of the road.
Then we rode out all the way to Uluwatu Temple, where you have to wear sarongs as it's necessary to show modesty and respect to the visiting temples. But yeah, the temple grounds were beautiful with our first monkey encounters of the trip.
I should cut someone's glasses.
There's gotta be skids there. Yeah, that's good. I'm sure they do.
They can be very cheeky or aggressive though, so yeah, be mindful of where you're standing and where they are. Uluwatu Temple is on the southernmost tip of Bali, and the views were spectacular. The weather was great, so we just spent the afternoon exploring the grounds and seeing some sights. Just as we were about to leave, we heard some screaming on the speakers. Yeah, so we decided to check out what was going on, and there was a ceremony going on. Wish I could tell you more. Don't really know what was happening here. There was no English translator. But there was a baby pig sacrifice, so if you don't want to see any of that, just a graphic warning. Pause and skip to the time show.
Second thing is, we had gone to a beach, pretty popular beach as well. And we parked our moped there, and I left the keys in the ignition.
Oh yeah. So anyone could have stolen it.
Yeah, and we spent a few hours there as well.
And you sorry, just one clarifying detail. You locked your helmet in the scooter to keep it safe, right?
This is the beach that Brenny was talking about, Suluban Beach. It's a pretty popular spot. It's really nice to just kind of observe and watch some surfers shred some waves, but also bail as well. That was kind of funny. A lot better than we could do. The place is beautiful though. There's these limestone caves and cliffs littered across the area.
Then we decided to head to dinner. We got a meat meal, like lobster, crab,
Yeah.
2 fish,
Yeah.
calamari, what, all the
Just
fucking-
gluttony. Because, you know, why not? We can spend it.
Yeah.
Or so we thought, right?
It was quite a tragic day today. So we thought we'd treat ourselves with a nice dinner. So we splashed out. So we splashed out on dinner, and we decided to head home afterwards. We headed home, and next thing we know, we have no card.
Wait, what do you mean we?
Well, we all use the
Yeah,
card.
yeah, yeah.
That's what I mean by
But what
we.
did you do?
Oh, what did I do? I lost the card. The card that pays for everything with the lowest interest rate possible.
Do you know where?
Could not tell.
Still got a lobster as well. It's not out yet.
We got a lot of food. I think in total, all of this was like $100 New Zealand dollars, which is crazy. But good food, good mates, good weather, good times, really. It was just such a good way to start off our trip, and I really enjoyed vlogging it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I don't really know how to sign off, so bye bye.